Hello and welcome to Growth Learners YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about a very interesting tool called GPTExcel, using which you can generate spreadsheet formulas with the power of AI. So if you're a beginner in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, or not even a beginner, if you are a experienced user, but still at times when we do a lot of tasks in Excel, we face issues to solve some complex problems. And so this tool GPTExcel, it works like a chat GPT only. You can simply type your request here that this is the task that I want to do. For example, I want to add numbers in this entire column, and it will generate a formula within seconds, which you can directly use for your work. So let's quickly explore this tool. This is the website URL gptexcel.uk. Already this tool has 300k plus users with a 5-star rating. There are these multiple features. Like I said, one is it can generate formula for Excel using AI. But not only this, it has more features as well. It can generate scripts for AI. So it can generate VBA scripts, app scripts, and Airtable scripts. So this is a much more advanced use case. And not many people are very comfortable with VBA scripts and all. So they can definitely use it, right? And then it can even generate SQL queries as well. So there are multiple such use cases. But in this video, we learn about a Excel use case. So let me log into this tool. You can create a free account. You can sign in with your Google account. So once you log into this tool, you will see this dashboard. And as we saw, there are multiple features available: Excel formulas, VBA scripts, SQL, etc. But for this video, we are just testing the Excel formula features. So we'll click on this section. So how this works is, in this section, we have to simply enter our prompt. That is, describe the formula you want to generate and try to be as detailed as possible. So we'll enter our prompt here. Once done, we'll click on this generate button and our formula will be generated here. So let's see a demo. So this is a dummy unique code data that I have created. There are 5 unique codes available. Now what I want is, for each of the codes, I just want the first 3 characters from the left side of each code. Now we'll go back to GPTExcel and type our requirement. So it is, I want to extract the first 3 characters from left from my data. So let's click on generate and let's see if it's able to give us the right formula. Click on generate and this is the result. Use this formula. So let's do it. We can simply copy this formula. So I've copied the formula and I'll go back to the Excel and paste the formula here. The only change we need to do is, instead of A1, we'll mention A2, right? So make this change and click on enter. As you can see, the first 3 characters have been extracted, and now we can simply copy paste this formula to other cells. So this is all about this tool. I have used a relatively simple use case, but the overall idea was to show you that how you can use this tool, and now you can practice with some complex use cases. I hope you like this video. If yes, and if you want to be notified about similar such tools in future, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.